Hey guys, what is up today? Welcome to Keeping Up with Stephanie, more like a tech review, techie type video. Anyway, Instagram had released its new feature that is on the Instagram page called Focus, right here, where you can focus your shot, and basically you just focus your ways doing that. Like if you want to focus, you just focus in, and it's new basically. And then that's basically what it is, and me looking like a crazy one. Okay, I'm gonna reshoot that. Anyway, I gotta line it up right. All you have to, so you can actually see what I see. Basically you just focus in, and you just focus in for your Instagram story basically. It is brand new. And it actually focuses on the shot. For this example that I use for this one, basically you just, that's what you do. I'm going to use the emoji with this tongue sticking out, since I have my tongue is sticking out. So yeah, that's what I'm going to use it for. And forgive me, I have a really snotty nose, so my voice is very not the normal voice of my voice, as you can hear me talk. That's what Focus is. It had released on Instagram. It was I think it was the day before, but I am showing this as a more review video for you guys. As a new Instagram feature that I have noticed, besides the boomerang and the super zoom that you guys already know. This one is brand new, basically. Yeah. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow me all over at Live. Bye and subscribe.